this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can transfer your iPhone's data onto the Android device. All right, this is basically Samsung Mobile. I'm just going to show you how you can transfer your data between your iPhone to Samsung. So if you guys wanted to transfer your data to Samsung, you need to have the application called Samsung Smart Switch Mobile. Just install this from Play Store. Once you guys have installed this, you should open this. All right, this is how it's look like. You need to receive this from iPhone. You need to receive and then choose iPhone. Then you can go wireless basically. If you wanted to go cable, you will need to use that lightning to the type C, I guess. All right, now you need to scan from your iPhone. Let me scan this and go to your browser. This is going to redirect you to App Store. Then simply download application from here. You can see that I'm downloading. All right, now simply open up the application, continue. Okay, and just give all the permission, like you can download all photos because you are going to transfer, and allow, and let's go. Now you should choose wireless because we have been choosing wireless on here. Now scan this from your Android. There we go. Now we have scanned this and you need to join this. This is basically Samsung creating the hotspot and iPhone is basically joining this. Now it's scanning. Now you can see that we have like contacts. You can transfer contacts, image and videos, and you can check all the image videos that you guys really wanted to check that or not. I'm just going to select all of them because I need all of them right now, and I'm just going to click on transfer. Now this is going to take some time. Like you can see that it's saying it's gonna take like 5 minutes or far. You just need to chill. You need to drink some coffee. All right, and let me show you that my gallery right now, it doesn't have any kind of picture or video. Once we finish the transfer, it should have photos and contacts and everything. Keep screen on. Pretty much this is going faster, as you guys can see that. I will speed up the video anyway. Alright guys, we are pretty much done, and you can see that organizing your data and iPhone is saying all done. You can simply close now and you guys are good to go with your Android. And there you go. So yeah, it's now updating image data on your device and it's gonna take some minutes. You can see that. Let's just keep your screen on, and there you go. We have a data result here, like 3 GB of or 4 GB files, which include video, images and even contacts as well. Just click on next, and get your iCloud data. If you guys wanted to import your iCloud data, you can tap on import iCloud, but I would not be doing that because I don't need iCloud data right now. I just need the local data from that iPhone that we just imported. Just click on next, and simply you can tap on done right now and you guys are good to go. Now go ahead and check your files. You can see that pretty much every files has been transferred here, and I'm happy with this. My contacts has been updated pretty much from the same phone there. Yeah, it has been updated. I'm happy with this. So this is how you guys can transfer your iPhone's data to your Android phone, and it's that simple, guys. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.